Hello students, good evening. Welcome to our Access Learners YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the solution of the exercise set 3.4. Directly, we will enter into the solution of the exercise question first. Okay, see this question. Represent the rational numbers 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4 and 1 by 2 on a single number line. Okay, already we have seen how to plot numbers on number lines. Let me take a number line. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so it will go infinitely in the positive side and minus infinitely on the negative direction. Okay, this is number line. We plotted some integers 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. until infinity and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But look at these gaps. These gaps are filled by some decimal numbers, right? Apart from decimal numbers, look at this. Decimal numbers can be represented in the form of p by q. That is a rational number that we have seen in the previous chapter, and last year also you have seen this. Apart from that, we can plot some irrational number also, but in this exercise we are going to plot rational numbers on the number line. Okay, look at this. The given rational numbers are 2 by 3, minus 5 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, all three are having different denominators. If all are having same denominator, it is convenient for us, but they had given different numbers. See the number 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is lying between 1 and 0 and 1. It is a proper fraction, so it lies between 0 and 1. The next number minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is an improper fraction. Since it is negative, so it comes on the left side. It is more than 1. And 1 by 2. That also greater than 1. Okay. So all three are in the different places and their denominator is also different. Okay. So we will follow some different methods to plot these numbers. To plot this number, I will draw a different number line. Okay. So here we need to use a single number line to represent all these three numbers. Okay. Wait, I will erase this and I will draw a new number line that is convenient for us. Look at the number. Two by 3 is lying between 0 and 1. This is greater than less than minus 1, and this is greater than plus 1. Okay, so we need plus 2 to minus 2. So let me plot 0 here. And 2 here and minus 2. Okay. Here I have plotted simply. You can make with the equal difference. Okay. See there 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3? It lies between 0 and 1. It is a fraction. Okay. So 2 by 3 is lie between 0 and 1. Okay. The denominator is 3, so I am going to split the distance between 0 and 1 as 3 parts, 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. Okay. Now, what is the given number? 2 by 3. So, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. 3 by 3 will become 1. So, I can stop here. This is 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3 plotted here. Next number minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4 is minus 1, 1 by 4, right? Minus 5 by 4 equal to minus 1, 1 by 4. Okay. So minus 1 is here. Then we need to move leftward for 1 by 4. Okay. This lies between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, this number. So see the denominator 4. I am going to divide this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts, right? So minus 1 is here. Minus 1, 1 by 4. Minus 1, 2 by 4. Minus 1, 3 by 4. Minus 1, 4 by 4 will come. Okay, so it will be 2. Now look at this. Our number is minus 1, 1 by 4 or minus 5 by 4. Let me write minus 5 by 4 here. Okay, so this is minus 5 by 4 and this one is 2 by 3. See the last number 1, 1 by 2. 1, 1 by 2 is greater than 1. The denominator is 2. Already it is in the mixed fraction form. So we can split this number into two parts. The distance into two equal parts because the denominator is 2. 1, if I plot it here, 2 equal parts are coming, right? So this is after 1. So 1, 1 by 2 will come here. 1, 1 by 2. Okay, so we numbers. First number 2 by 3, second number minus 5 by 4, third number 1, 1 by 2. All three are here. Okay, so and we plotted all in a single number line. Okay, that's all. In this way we can plot the numbers. Shall we move on to the next question? If you have any doubt, you can send it in the comments. Now we will start the second one. Second question also very simple. Wait, question solution. See here, find three distinct rational numbers that lie strictly between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Look at here, just now we completed the first question. In between two numbers we can find so many numbers. I already not already it is there in the concept. Okay, when you see this chapter's introduction, it is mentioned there are infinitely many numbers lying between two integers. Okay, so there are so many rational numbers lying between two integers. Now we have two rational numbers. In between these two rational numbers, we need to find three distinct rational numbers. Okay. See this, the denominators are different. Now I am going to make the denominator equal. You know that, right? We did it in the previous chapter. Minus 1 by 2. The denominator is 2 and 4. LCM of 2, 4 equal to 4. So I am going to make the denominator 4 for each number. If I multiply the first number with 2, I will get minus 2 by 4. Second number 1 by 4. Okay, already the denominator is 4. So we will get 1 by 4 here. Look at this, minus 2 by 4 is there and 1 by 4 is the next number. We need to find three distinct rational numbers. Okay, now the denominators are same. So I am going to write the numbers. Minus 2 by 4 is the first number. Previous number is minus 1 by 4 and 0 by 4. Next number 1 by 4. Look at this, we need to write three distinct rational numbers, but if you take the same denominator, we will get only two numbers. Okay, so what we should do, we can multiply this number by 2 so that the value remains same. Okay, we will follow different method. The techniques are there in the next exercise. Now I will tell you. We will multiply this by 2. Minus 4 by 8 will come. Okay, already we found the LCM. LCM is 4, but if you take the rational numbers in between these two numbers, we are getting two numbers. We can write some more numbers, but if you write the value, write the number with the same value, we can write some more numbers. With the same value, it is little bit difficult to find. Okay, so we are doing multiplication with the number. It will be 2 by 8. Look at this, minus 4 by 8 and 2 by 8. If you plot a number line, minus 4 by 8 will be here and 2 by 8 will be here. In between we can find three distinct rational numbers. Okay, so minus 4 by 8, 8, minus 4 by 8. Next number we can write minus 3. Minus 3 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 1 by 8. Okay, then 0. 0 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8 will come. 0, 1 by 8, the last number 2 by 8. Okay, so this is the sequence. In this sequence we need to write 3 distinct rational numbers. Okay, three distinct rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, or we can write any 3 numbers from here. Okay, already we have 1 2 3 4 5 5 numbers, but 3 numbers are sufficient. Let me write this number. One negative number, one 0, and one positive number. I wrote these 3 numbers. Okay, we can find more numbers, but if I do the multiplication with 2, we will get 5 numbers, but I need only 3 numbers, so I wrote only 3 numbers. Okay, any doubt? Hope you don't have any doubt. So we will move on to the next question. See the next one. Simplify the expression 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. We did this kind of question in the last exercise. First we need to make the denominator equal. Minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Okay, see the denominator. The denominators are different. So I need to make the common denominator by multiplying the first term by 4 plus 5 by 12. So what will come? Minus 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. Minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. 2 by 12. We can do cancellation here. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. So what will be the final answer? 1 by 6 is the final answer. Okay, so we completed this also. See the next one. Next one is application based problem, weighting problem, but this also very simple. See this, here we need to do the division. A tailor has 15 3 by 4 meters of fine silk. If making one kurta requires 2 1 by 4 meters of silk, exactly how many kurtas can he make? Okay, so we need to divide it and we will take the quotient as the result. Okay, so what is the length of fine silk? Equal to 15 3 by 4 meter. Okay, we can write it in the improper fraction format. 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 3 63, 63 by 4 meter. Okay, and how much cloth is required for kurta? For a kurta, how much required silk for? Right. To make a kurta equal to 2 1 by 4 meter. If you write it in improper format, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4 meter. Okay, now we need to find how exactly how many kurtas can he make. Okay, so number of kurtas equal to total cloth or length divided by kurta's length, length of cloth to make a single kurta. One kurta. So what will come? 63 by 4 divided by 9 by 4. Okay, already we know this rule, division rule. A by B divided by C by D equal to A by B into D by C. Okay, so we are going to use the same rule here. What will come? 63 by 4 into 4 by 9. Look at this, we can cancel these two 4s. 1 9 is 9, 7 nines are 63. So what will be the answer? 7. So we can make 7 kurtas. Okay. Completed this question also. Okay. It is very, very simple. Now next one, find 3 rational numbers between 2 decimal numbers. This also like the second question. In second question we have the number in the rational form, p by q form, but here it is in the decimal form. Okay, we can use the same form. See this, find 3 rational number between 3.1415 and 3.1416. Okay, so we can write this as 3.14150 and 3.14160. Okay, so what will be the 3 numbers? We can write the next number by writing 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, 3 rational numbers, 3.14151. Next number, this will become 2, 3.14152, 3.1415. Okay, so we can write these 3 numbers, but we can write so many numbers. I already told you, no. So there are infinitely many numbers in between two rational numbers. Already we have 2 rational numbers. So I have written 3 rational numbers between these two. Okay, these 3 numbers lying between these 2 numbers. Okay. See the next one. Next one is interesting question. Here they ask for the number of ways, any other ways to write 3 numbers or 4 numbers between 2 rational numbers. Okay. See this, can you think of other ways to find rational number between any 2 rational numbers? Already we completed 2 methods. One is this one, making the denominator equal and writing some numbers. Second method is writing the numbers in the decimal form and finding some more numbers. Okay, so third method, we will find the average of a number. Okay, for any 2 rational numbers. A by B and C by D. So we will take the number in this form, A by B, which is less than C by D. Okay, so A by B, C by D, where C by D is greater number. Okay, we can find another number average of these two, A by B plus C by D divided by 2, such that, see here we are finding the average. Average means mean, so definitely it should lie between these 2 numbers, right? So we can write that condition, A by B plus C by D divided by 2 C by D. Okay, so this is the first method. Got it? So we have 2 numbers and we can find some more numbers by using this method. We will try one example. Let me take 2 numbers. Let me take 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Look at this, 1 by 2, it is between 1 and 2. 3 by 2 is between 2 and 3. 0.5 and 1.5. Okay, so lies between 0 and 1 and 1 and 2. Okay, so first one is 1 by 2, A by B is 1 by 2, C by D is 3 by 2. Okay, so what we can write, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. What will come? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2 divided by 2. If I cancel this, 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, see this, if you draw a number line, 0 is here, 1 is here and 2 is here. Where 1 by 2 will come? 1 by 2 will come here, 1 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1 by 2. Already I told you how to plot this. After 1 we need to split it into 2 equal parts, so 3 by 2 will come here. Okay, look at this, in between we have a number 1 also a rational number. We found that number. Okay, so this is one of the way. Okay, so this is finding average, mean method. One more method is there, I will tell you, that also similar to this. Second one, for any two rational numbers a by b and c by d. Okay, here we found the average. We added these two numbers and we divided this by 2. In this method, we are going to add numerator and denominator separately. Okay, where a by b is less than c by d. Okay, in this case a by b less than c by d is given, right? So in between these two numbers a by b and c by d, we can add this numerator plus numerator, denominator plus denominator. Okay, so we can find another number in this way. Okay, we will take the same example which we took in the previous one. Example 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, we know 1 by 2 is smaller, 3 by 2 is greater. Okay, so 1 by 2, in between I am going to take one number, 1 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 2, and this will be 3 by 2. What will happen here? 1 by 2, this will be 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 by 2. If you cancel this, it will be 1. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. Okay, so this also similar to this. Look at here. The same answer we got. Okay, this is median method. Okay, that's all. We completed all 6 questions in this exercise. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can send it in the comment. Apart from that, I am sending worksheet for each exercise. Okay, whenever you are getting time, solve it. Don't stop your learning here. Just extend it by solving the worksheet. Okay, I attached this worksheet. You can find the worksheet in the description, and its solution also available in my website. Okay, do it and don't forget to share it to your friends. Okay, subscribe my video. We will see the solution of the next exercise in the next video. Okay, take care, bye.